Hi friends! Are you ready to learn English with me today? Let's talk about what we do every day. It's called the simple present tense. The simple present is used to talk about things we do again and again, every day, every week, or all the time. Like this, I go to school. She eats breakfast. We play games. These are things we do every day. That's why we use the simple present. Let's look at some examples. I brush my teeth. You sing songs. He runs fast. She draws pictures. We read books. They play outside. Remember, with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. He jumps. She sleeps. What if we want to say we don't do something? Let's learn negatives. I don't eat candy. You don't sleep late. He doesn't play soccer. She doesn't drink tea. We use don't with I, you, we, and they. And we use doesn't with he and she. Now let's ask questions in the simple present. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he like cats? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Use do or does at the beginning of the question. Let's play a game. I'll show you a picture, and you say the sentence using the simple present tense. Are you ready? Let's go. What does she do? She sleeps. What does he do? He eats. What do they do? They play. Great work today, everyone. Now you know how to use the simple present tense to talk about things you do every day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a fun English lesson.